Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of How Logical. Today I'm back with another tutorial on how to fix too many friends on Snapchat. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you are receiving too many friends error message on your Snapchat, then here's how to fix it. If you have too many friends on your Snapchat application and you are not being able to add more friends, then remember that Snapchat has a 2,500 friend limit. If you want to add more, you'll have to remove some of the friends before being able to do so. So, in order to fix too many friends issue on your Snapchat, go and tap on your Bitmoji icon at the upper left-hand corner from the main home page once you're logged into Snapchat. Now, scroll all the way down to Friends section and give it a tap to My Friends option. All of the friends that are available on your friend list will be displayed over here. In order to be able to add more friends on Snapchat, you'll need to remove some of the friends by simply tapping on the contact and tap on their Bitmoji at the upper left-hand corner and tap on the three dots at the upper right hand. Simply tap on Remove Friend from the options and confirm your selection by tapping on Remove in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to remove a friend on Snapchat. You can keep removing as many friends as you don't want to communicate with and your problem should be solved. That is how you can fix your issue if you have too many friends on Snapchat and your Snapchat is not letting you add more friends to the list. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.